Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with Sportline. And let me tell you, we are having a lot of fun at Sportline at our Los Angeles, California facility with customizing Teslas as of recent. I mean, I'm sure you've seen the previous videos, but check this one out that I'm about to share with you. Here we go, another Model Y to get our TMaxx sports package that completely changes the look of your Model Y. Starting off with the front bumper, as you could see, it's much sportier. Looks completely different than any other Model Y that's out there, and that's just the beginning. Let's go to the back of the car. Inspired by the design elements of the front bumper, we now have a whole new rear bumper, and they match up perfectly. Very sporty, lots of really cool inlets, this very sporty rear diffuser, and then the wing, which is much more accentuated than our wing and definitely more than Tesla's. Now, this car is obviously not Tesla metallic blue, right? This has been wrapped by us using Nuys metallic midnight blue. This is a very special color. We've done it before on Model 3 and Model Y, and here we go again. So what we did was this time is, this customer purchased this body kit. We painted it body color, gloss black, which is the original color of this Model Y, and then we went ahead and wrapped it using the Nuys film. This is a really great look. But as you know, and like we always say, if you put a body kit on a car or if you wrap a car, it's best to go ahead and change the wheels. Would you not agree? Because therefore you want to look really special, really different, and not just stop at the exterior. This customer chose our #1 selling, our best one-piece forged wheel. These are called TY115s. These wheels are much stronger and lighter than the original Tesla wheels. That reduction in unsprung weight will help with range and performance. And what about the look? I mean, super cool, right? And it shows off the brake calipers. Now, before we go into the inside of this car and I show you what we did there, I'd love to hear some comments from you below. What are your thoughts about this new body kit? And also, what about our TY115 wheels? Is this the perfect 21-inch sport-inspired wheel for a Model Y and for a body kit look like this? Again, I'd love to hear from you on that. Let's go inside, check this out. Well, obviously this customer likes the color blue, right? And as you could see, we continued with that inspiration of customization and brought it into the interior. Take a look at our completely reupholstered Pacific blue interior, starting off with the front and rear seats with our diamond quilted inserts. Super cool. The diamond quilted area and the seats have a matching blue stitch. And then to tie it all in, and this is an extra step or an extra option that you have when you choose our interiors, this customer went all in and had us reupholster the door panel inserts. And you know what? That just really kind of brings it all together. For those of you that have a Model Y, you know those door panel inserts are normally like a black Alcantara suede material. And that's cool because that blends with the rest of the black areas of the door. But if you have blue on the seats, let's tie it in with bring it into the doors, and within both inserts being diamond quilted, I think it's a super cool look. Now, lastly, the one thing that a lot of Tesla owners have a challenge with when moving from a previous type of manufactured car, an ICE car, a non-Tesla car, is getting used to the fact of the screen and the speedometer, the odometer, all the information about your car is on this beautiful screen in the center of your Model Y. And some people just don't care for that. They wish they had something a little bit more traditional. And check out our MSX dash screen that installs right in the center of where a normal traditional instrument cluster would be. You can see it right through and read everything clearly through the opening upper portion of the steering wheel. It has your speedometer, it gives you battery information and how much range you have. And I mean, all the information you would pretty much get from here is on the screen, plus the one thing that all Tesla owners want that we don't have today, and that is Apple CarPlay. So when you purchase this MSX screen, it has built-in Apple CarPlay. And for those of us that use iPhone and love CarPlay, that is the answer to enjoying music. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.